This is Arcamax.com, the website of Arcamax. And if you're looking to send out a solo ad and you're in a small niche, or it doesn't really matter what niche you're in, this is a great solo ad provider. They cover almost every niche out there. They have a reach of over 1 million subscribers. And if you just look around their site, they offer different advertising services. So not just solo ads, but they also offer core banner advertising, and also offline list rental. And if you look around, you could also look at the list of all their newsletters. They have dozens and dozens of newsletters in various niches, so they have subscribers in almost every niche out there. Now, just a few highlights of Arcamax. They do online tracking, they do A/B split testing. You can also target by zip code, and you could also do demographic targeting. So basically, you can direct your offer to, or basically segment it to gender, location, marital status, income, age, and so on. And so basically, you can efficiently allocate your online marketing budget so that you send your messages to people who are much more likely to respond.